What's up, guys? I'm just sitting here finishing up editing the video. Me and my mom went fishing yesterday morning. We had a real good day. I think we caught, I don't even remember now, 11, 12 fish. We only caught two over 20. Had like a 21 and a 23. But it was real good day on the water. Not only catching fish, but spending time with my mom. Always enjoy that special time together. If you can, take your parents fishing. They spend all the time with them that you can. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Really no outro or anything like that on this one. Just a fun family experience. Spending the day with my mom.
It did a little fish on it because it's kind of going back and forth. See, now it's going back the other way. Oh, there's all y'all water though.
I think it's got a fish.
I think it does too. Get over there.
That one does for sure.
They're pretty anyway. They're pretty fish.
Let's see what they weigh. 13, 14.
Okay.
Camera. 14 pounder, guys. First fish of the day. 14 pounds. Not a bad start.
Shining their light. No, you get it. I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm still wore out from the last one. I got no strength in my arms today for some reason. Well, I know why, but I don't bounce back like I used to.
He ain't huge either. I think it's about like another.
Well, if that other had been any bigger, I don't know that I'd have been able to pull him in. Took all I had. Took it out of me. I don't have much, but it took it. Oh, it might
Might have
be
shot one
big.
anyway, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a net.
Where's it at?
Right there. Net.
Oh, damn. I almost got one too big for me to handle. There you go.
That was right.
Yeah.
You got it?
How about got a net too big for me to even handle? That's it all?
I got it. I didn't think what the hell. Nice.
Yes.
It'll be a little bit bigger now.
Yeah, he looks like he's big enough.
You set that net back over.
It's heavy as a fish.
Just set right in front of that windshield on my side. See anywhere right there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, I guess he's 21. He's fatter, I guess. 21 pounds, guys. Second fish, 21 pounds. A little bit better takedown. Hopefully y'all can, I ain't blinding you with the flashlight.
Dang, he took, you could see him pulling that through the thing.
Fish on. You want one? You want it? No.
No. I'm good.
You good?
I'm good. I'm happy right this minute, just watching you.
Right across that line right there and get tangled up, bro.
Maybe not.
Oh, he just came off.
Did he?
Yeah.
Ah, shit. I've seen him on top of the water when he started taking off. He was making waves with that board. He was moving stuff fast.
Yeah.
Sitting on sunshine. It's out. It ain't really giving no warmth. It'd be all over against that pile line right there.
Yeah.
It's long.
What you think?
Especially right here in the middle, or between the two. Yeah, they got 1, 2. Can't tell for the father. One's got 3 gates open. Might be more than that.
Built bog you got down the river.
Yeah.
Built bog you got down the river. Say what?
I said it'll be so much warmer. Alright. I can go. I'm ready to know.
Want it? Do what?
Yeah, I'll take it.
I think it's gonna be the best one of the day. I think so. Almost right. Man, it was bigger than the other one. Feels better than the other one, but we'll see when it gets up here, I guess. The bigger ones do that until they get up here to boat. He ain't come up yet, so that's good. Coming in. Are you doing any good? No, you ain't doing any good. See when that don't move.
Oh, I didn't.
That don't move. Look, you ain't doing no good. Not now we are. Okay, sorry. Go ahead, go ahead. Make sure your rod's coming in. Till you get that up here. Still feeling?
Yeah.
Pull up. You'll pull up and then reel down.
Speak them all
Reel
up.
down. Reel down. Don't worry, yeah, nearly as much. Don't reel until you're going down. Just pull up, stop reeling, pull up. Now reel down. Right,
This is just-
reel, reel, reel.
Oh, she's on there now.
Coming at you, son. You come on.
Yes, it is, 'cause it's way too light now.
Oh, still dead. God dang.
Yeah,
Second one.
That's probably my fault. My arms just ain't got no strength in them today. I don't know if they're weak from all that vibrating yesterday. Or...
I probably won't. I'm getting a bite right here.
I see that. That one in.
See
I
it?
see it, yeah. So what do you just wait for it to bend all the way down?
Yeah. Yeah, he's just whacking. Appreciate you watching as always, and we'll see you on the next one. And I actually already have the video footage for it. I just got to get it put together. We had a real good day this morning. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.